What's going on, YouTube? Sorry for the delay, guys, in the video. They were doing construction on my building, so there was a ton of drilling noises and stuff like that during the week. And honestly, I've been so busy this week. I'm happy to say this was my best week. In total on EU, I had 9 wins and 1 loss, which just shows from what I was talking about in my last video that the growth and just the progress from just isolating myself and doing my own thing and staying away from any distractions is paying off, and I'm so happy and proud of myself. It feels unbelievable, to say the least. Today's video, guys, is going to be me going over my 5 daily habits that changed my life. Seriously, guys, these things changed my life completely. And if you were to take me back, let's say 2 years ago, and tell me I would be doing these things daily, I would probably make fun of it, but that just shows the type of person I was. And you know, a lot of successful people do these things every single day, and it shows. I'm the lab rat, I guess, in the test. I like testing myself and trying different things, and like I said in previous videos, studying successful people and what they did to get there. I feel like in today's day and age, we have so much free information, access to so much free information from these top dogs in any industry. So we might as well take advantage of it, right? So I'll let you guys like, subscribe, comment, please. It helps so much. I'm almost at 100 subscribers already, which is insane. It means the world, guys. Seriously, it means the world. Please keep liking, please keep commenting, and let's get that to 100 subs by the next video. If we can do that, that'd be amazing. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, so the first habit I started implementing that changed my life was positive thinking. And I know it sounds pretty cliche, but I'm not kidding. When you shift your negative mindset to a positive mindset, when you shift your victim mentality to why is this happening for me and not to me, it changes everything. And as someone who used to think negative pretty much on a daily basis because of my surroundings and some people around me, it's insane how it like flips the switch when you start thinking positively. And you know, good things start to come to you. Positive momentum starts to come to you. You start to achieve things that you've always wanted to achieve but couldn't. And it's unbelievable, guys, how important this first habit is in changing your life. All right, guys, so the second daily habit I started implementing was morning meditation. It's hands down been the best decision I've ever made in terms of waking up and starting the day on the right foot. Clearing out all negative thoughts and just focusing on positive things you want to happen throughout the day, or any goals, or just complete silence. It's up to you, but I highly suggest mixing in morning meditation, as it's changed my life. All right, guys, so habit number 3 that changed my life was reading. For example, this book, The Richest Man in Babylon. Highly recommend. I got 3 others here: The Disciplined Trader, Market Wizards that I'm just starting now, and then I have a Kindle that I've probably read 50 books in the last year. Growing up, I was someone who never read at all. I think in all of high school, public school, I probably read maybe 2 books, and those were the ones we were forced to read. But I'm telling you guys, pick up a book on whatever you're passionate about and just read. And it's unbelievable how much information you take in when you're choosing to read, and it's not your high school, university where you're forced to read a certain book. It's a different feeling. You absorb it differently. And it's a big reason why I'm where I am now, and it's a big reason why I'll be where I want to be. So that's number 3, guys. Highly suggest. All right, guys, so the 4th habit that helped change my life was listening to podcasts daily. Now, I would suggest listening to these in the morning. The first thing I do, as you guys have seen in my later videos, the day in the life, if you haven't, go check that out. I wake up and I go for a walk. Depending on the weather, I'll drive in the morning before I start anything. And on those drives or walks, I listen to podcasts. And honestly, there's nothing better to start your day in a more positive mindset, because you're listening to someone who's achieved some things you want to achieve, or B, honestly, just an idol of yours. Like, for example, Lewis Howes, Tony Robbins, Rob Dial. Rob Dial is my favorite one, hands down. He uploads 3 times a week, and it's a 20-minute podcast every morning that just gets you in the right direction. So if you're anyone who is kind of wondering what to do with their morning, I highly suggest step number 4. All right, guys, so for my fifth and final step, we have journaling. Journaling is something I've implemented over the last year that I can't even explain how much has helped my emotions, whether it be anxiety, maybe stress from trading or other real life situations. Being able to take your thoughts from your head to paper makes everything so much better and clear. And, I have about 4 journals now over the last year that I'm able to look back on, and I highly suggest you do the same. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment on my videos. Like I said earlier, I can't believe we're already at 80 subscribers. It means a lot, guys. So drop a like, drop a comment, drop a subscribe. Let's hit 100 by next video, and I'll see you guys next week.